Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is the 6th of July. It is, what day? Today's Tuesday. I don't know what day it is, but it's Tuesday. It's great to be here. Today we're going to be talking about your voiceover demo and 3 reasons why it might be set up all wrong and why you're not getting business. Okay, we're going to talk and dive into that, and I'm going to give you those reasons in just a second. Before we get started, make sure you hit the follow button, subscribe, like, do all that jazz, and so that way we can get to 10,000 subs. We're at 5,000. We're over 5,000 now. Thank you all so much. Super excited to get to 10,000. So, all right, let's get into this list. Okay, so number 1 on the list that I find it could be a reason that your voiceover demo is set up all wrong and you're not getting business is that your demo is not tailored to the right audience. Okay, I see this all the time. I work with a lot of voice actors through the coaching that I do, through voice acting and business coaching for voiceover. And a lot of the demos I get or that I see or listen to they're amazing. They sound great. They were highly produced. The production aspect is great. But even commercial demos need to be tailored to the audience that you are specifically going after. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you are trying to get commercials for TV and radio spots, okay? Like maybe TV trailers, right? And you're trying to target agents, right? Let's stop. Let's stop with the targeting. We're just saying that that's what you made your demo on. That's who you went to, a demo producer, and they kind of put that together for you. That really targeted TV trailers, TV commercials, or even maybe radio spots. Okay. Then let's say, right, because you didn't know, you take your demo and you start to advertise and market yourself, and you're marketing yourself to an audience that wants to do commercials for Kickstarter campaigns, or they want to do commercials for mom and pop stores, or they want to do commercials, and I call them philosophical commercials, but they're really like inspirational, idea-based, the why am I in business, you know what I mean? It appealing to the emotional side of us trying to sell the business idea, not necessarily just a random product. Okay, well, you can tell where those types of deliveries, the tones, are going to be way different than, the tones they're looking for in that sort of TV atmosphere, right? As opposed to, you trying to sell the heart of a business. So you could see how that is a massive challenge, and a lot of people and I honestly believe we're not thinking about it, because when we first start, especially, we're just trying to get a really high quality demo. We're not thinking about what audience is the demo actually targeting. And I'm not talking about, targeting like voicemail or, e-learning, corporate narration. I'm talking about all of those genres. Within each one, there are different audiences. Okay, so that's a very important thing. So number 1 is, playing to the wrong audience could be the reason why your demo is all wrong. Okay, number 2, your first spot on your demo should be your last spot. I see this a lot. And okay, so, with everything that we do in performance, okay, when it comes to acting a lot, it's very subjective. Okay, it's very like, what's my opinion about this? How do I feel about it? Okay, some people are better at, maybe being in tune with their feelings and what they think that they feel and what other people could possibly feel than others, right? Not everybody is in tune with that. But I find a lot of times that the people I listen to their demos, especially newer voice actors, struggle with knowing what spot to put first. Okay, and a lot of times they get it wrong. And most of the time, actually, it's not even them. It's the person they bought the demo from, or the company they bought the demo from, was, again, targeting the wrong audience for that person's, for your marketing. They were targeting another audience, and they put a spot in the beginning, for example, that was maybe super upbeat. Sorry. Fiverr going on. Super upbeat as opposed to more of an intimate, inspirational type of tone, or an everyday girl or an everyday boy, right? Or an everyday, man or woman, whatever. Like it's the wrong spot, because, they say we got 1 to 3 seconds to make an impression. All right. So if you have your best spot, or that's going to sell the most for you, in the back, and I see this a lot, and some people honestly think I'm going to put it as the last one because, I want to end strong. But the problem is probably the majority of the people that are listening to your stuff don't even get that far. They don't even get past the first spot. The majority of work that I get is from the 10 seconds and my first 10 seconds of my demo. I think a lot of people don't even listen to the whole one. They hear the first couple of seconds, they decide to listen through that whole one, they like it, and that's what they hire me for. So the second reason why you could possibly have your demo all wrong is that your first spot should actually be your last spot. All right? Maybe your last spot should be your first spot. Okay? So that's number 2. All right, and number 3, okay, and probably one of the most important ones, is your trending deliveries. So let me talk to you what that's about. I've been in theater for 20 years now. Whether I've been acting or directing or coaching, and I got into voiceover 4.5 years ago. But throughout that time, and throughout the 20 years as an actor, I've seen trends come and go, the types of deliveries or acting styles that are popular, that aren't as popular, and new ones come. And I've noticed the same sort of trends in voiceover, right? Because if you think about it, even more so than acting, because acting on a stage kind of takes time to catch up, you know what I mean, with what happens, right now. But with what we do as voice actors, we are pretty much on the cutting edge, or the forefront of, we are probably the acting, the sector, if you will, of the acting genre that is the most in tune with what's happening right now, right? Because we are the voices of all the messages that are being put out by companies and businesses around the world. All right. So because of that, we get an idea right up front of what's trending. Okay. And what's trending for males, and what's trending for females, right? And what's trending for this type of work, and what's trending for that type of work. So it's important to know that, does your demo have the right trending deliveries right now, as opposed to what it was 4 years ago or 6 years ago? Perfect example, I hear this a lot. A lot of people kick off their demos with upbeat type of deliveries. Okay? And, there's nothing wrong with that. However, I find that I get a lot more work when my deliveries up front, and this is for male, it's for men. My first delivery for my demo sample, for my demo up front, my first spot, is more of a intimate, everyday man, everyday person type of a read. Okay, not upbeat and happy, like, come on down to the car sales today, not like that. Or not like, this is a great day for you to come by and get the best deal possible. There's nothing wrong with that delivery, but I find that, especially where I'm marketing, okay, because I'm marketing to small businesses, small cap businesses around the world, people from 1 person to less than 500 employees. Okay, because since I'm marketing to those type of businesses, I'm not going to be doing these I'm going to be doing different type of deliveries. Okay, so I find that if you are not on the right trending delivery, females, there's a lot more upbeat. I have an amazing, all my students are amazing, but one of my students right now, she's working very hard on trying to figure out, she does an amazing delivery of a more intimate style type delivery, but we're working on doing more of an upbeat delivery, because that's what's trending right now for a lot of women. Okay, is a more upbeat, happy delivery. Okay, I don't know why it is, but it is what it is, right? So, that's what's trending for her, whereas for men, that's not what's trending for men. So depending on what you are delivering, or what, the deliveries you're giving in your demo, could be a major reason why you are not getting more work. Okay, so listen, those are the top 3 reasons why your voiceover demo might be all wrong. Remember, you're playing to the wrong audience. Your first spot should be your last spot. Okay, and your deliveries are not trending at this moment. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was really helpful. Please like and subscribe. Share this with somebody. Leave some comments below about, what you feel your demo and the strengths and the weaknesses are, and love to have that conversation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Goodbye.